Hey everyone, imagine this, a vibrant green space, but instead of boring old grass, it's packed with yummy veggies, juicy fruits, and fragrant herbs. This isn't some far-off fantasy, it's something you can do right in your own backyard. Turning your lawn into an organic food garden might sound like a big job, but it's a super rewarding experience that connects you with nature and gives you amazing food. Lawns are often just plain green, but they can be so much more. By swapping the grass for a mix of edible plants, you create a home for wildlife, help the environment, and get the freshest, tastiest food ever. It's good for you, good for your wallet, and good for the planet. Imagine walking out your back door and picking a salad for dinner, the leaves still wet with dew. Picture yourself pulling up your own garlic, the amazing smell filling the air. That's the magic of growing your own food, something anyone can do, even if you don't have much space. Let's do this together. Let's turn that boring patch of green into an awesome source of organic goodness. It's easier than you think, and the rewards are amazing. Growing your own organic food is about more than just skipping the chemicals. It's about living in a way that's good for nature. Organic gardening works with the environment, creating healthy soil, saving water, and helping all the little critters. When you stop using pesticides and herbicides, you make a home for bees, butterflies, and other helpful bugs. These little guys help pollinate your plants so you get lots of food. And because organic farming doesn't use bad chemicals, the food you grow is super healthy. Imagine biting into a warm tomato, bursting with flavor. That's the difference organic farming makes. The food just tastes better, fresher, more alive. And knowing you grew it yourself makes it even better. By choosing organic, you're not just growing food, you're creating a healthier, better future for everyone. It's good for your family, your community, and the whole world. Turning your lawn into a food-growing paradise might sound tough, but it's just a few simple steps. First, pick a sunny spot. Most edible plants need at least 6 hours of sunshine every day. Next, get the soil ready. Start by taking out the grass. You can dig it up with a shovel or use a special tool called a sod cutter for bigger areas. Once the grass is gone, it's time to make the soil better. Add lots of compost, old manure, or leaf mold. This makes the soil better for growing things. Now for the fun part, planting. Choose veggies, herbs, and fruits you like and that grow well where you live. Easy ones to start with are lettuce, spinach, radishes, tomatoes, and zucchini. Plant your seedlings or seeds, giving them enough space to grow big and strong. Choosing what to grow in your organic garden is like making a menu for your own restaurant. Think about the flavors you love, the dishes you like to cook, and the colors and textures that make you happy. Do you love the sweet taste of fresh peas, the zing of homegrown lemons, or the earthy taste of freshly dug potatoes? Plant some things that grow in one season, annuals, and some that come back year after year, perennials. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers are good annuals, while strawberries, asparagus, and rhubarb are great perennials. Don't forget herbs. They taste amazing and bring in good bugs that keep away the bad bugs. Basil, rosemary, thyme, and oregano are easy to grow and add tons of flavor to your cooking. Try planting different things together that help each other grow, like basil and tomatoes. Have fun experimenting and creating your own edible masterpiece.